Hi guys, so I have made today a without breadboard encoder of octal to binary, and it's working 100%. I'll show you the demo. First, 0 is of course 0, then we come to 1. See, it's 1. Let's try 2. It's 2. 3. It's much dim. If you could understand it. See, 0 1 1 0 1 1. 3. Let's try 4. 1 0 0. Fifth one 1 0 1. This is a bit dim, you can get it now. 1 0 1. The sixth one 1 1 0. And finally the seventh one 1 1 1. So that's it guys, and of course the circuit is very simple. I was stuck in a fact that normally we take OR gate as simply the connection of wires, simple connection of wires, so that any one input can give the output. So at first I didn't use this diodes, which caused me so much of error. Means whenever any of the switches was on, all the lights were on. So that was a fault, and I recreated it by using diodes. Diode directs the current at a single direction, so the flow goes at one direction only and it doesn't go backward and gets other lights on. So this is what a very simple encoder of binary octal to binary. So thank you guys for watching the full video.